You got a warrant.
Ain't got a warrant. No, I don't.
Go ahead, get a couple.
Ain't got a warrant.
Hey, that's it. What did he do? What did he do before that started going on that? What did he do?
Hey, give me your left hand. Give me your left hand.
Give us your left hand. Give us your left hand.
Give me your left hand. Hey, give me your left hand.
Come on, brother.
Stop trying to bite us. He's biting you. He's biting you. Stop. Stop. He's fucking biting her. Back up, please. He has an active felony warrant. Back away from us
No, I
now.
don't. I got shit, bitch. Yeah. Hey, come on, mama.
What's the number, bro?
Come.
Put your hand behind your back.
Ah!
Put your hand behind your
You
back.
gonna kill me today, Cracker.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hey, call my daughter, man. Hey, yo, get him off me,
Stop
man.
resisting.
Get the fuck off me. Cracker, shut up, Cracker. Yeah, hey, kid. Tell Pit, that's fucked up, boy. That's fucked up. That's for hobby, man. For the hobby, bro. Help me, man. Help me.
It's wrapped around the same.
Give us a number to call.
250-8-244.
What?
250-8-244. That's Pit, she want to call him. Hey, call 348-5820. That's Chanel. Damn, man, fuck.
Why y'all let come never swing his hand like that?
Because while he was fighting and resisting, he's holding on to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Why don't you ask him why he took a chunk out of the other officer's hand? For biting her, huh? Ask him that.
Yeah, man, I'm going, man.
Let go.
Cracker, shut up, Cracker. Cracker, shut up, Cracker.
Yeah, calm down.
Let go of me. How about that?
Yeah, calm down.
Hey, it's 820, bro. It's 820.
Yeah, let it go.
Let go of it.
Let go of the cuff.
Sink this one down more on this other hand.
Yeah, I can't breathe, bro.
This one right
It's
here.
gonna kill me, bro. You heard me? Heard me, man?
Yeah, she's called.
You good?
She's already calling.
Okay.
So I'm going, shot. Shot.
Hey, call your little man, please. Call expect go detention, bro. Martin King Park. Martin King.
Carl! Hey, call everybody, man.
Carrying him?
Carl, I can't help.
Are we gonna carry
I
him?
can't breathe.
Yeah, you gonna break his
I can't breathe. Y'all call everybody, bro. Hey, Cracker.
Can you get away? Let
Please.
go of my hand. He literally just
I can't breathe.
shit out of
I can't breathe.
That's right.
Get him over.
I can't breathe.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, chill out.
Hey, stop.
Yeah, please stop. Please stop.
I love y'all, man. I love y'all.
D-head, come on, just go to the car. Now, you need to put it in your pocket. He might do something to you.
Hey, stop resisting. Hey, check him, pat him down real quick.
Calm down. I can't breathe, y'all.
All right.
You gotta calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm
So we're
down.
good?
We can't help you unless you calm
Jenna,
down.
hold on. Jenna, you want it? Let me get that.
I can't breathe, y'all help me, man.
No, just calm down. Man, they put the thing on my feet
I can't breathe.
Watch his other foot, all right?
I can't breathe.
I gotta get his other foot.
I'll be with you. I'll go with you. No. I'll go with you. I'll go with you.
Are you serious?
Hey, stop tensing up,
Go
man.
ahead. Go ahead.
I can't breathe.
Roll it this way. Get up. Let's get him up. Get him up. Roll him up. Roll him up. Take him up.
Get in there. 1450. Why y'all putting him in her truck? Help! Help! Help!
Go ahead, Mike.
Please, 1031, 1031 for 6. Help, man. I can't go in there, man. Help!
Lift him up.
Yep.
He's bracing. He's bracing. Hey, let go of the car. Come on.
No! Hey, stop!
All right. Now let's go. I guess we're doing that.
We gotta get him up on the thing.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Jenna, did you call rescue? You call fire rescue? All right.
All he needed to do was not.
Whose car is this? Let's get him to the jail. All right. We're gonna get him to jail. Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead. We're all good. You good?
Yeah, no, we're good.
Where's Mike?
We gotta get her to 1033 though.
Yeah. You want to just go down to SMH?
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Yeah, all right. He bit her pretty nasty on the hand.
He better.
Yeah, real nasty. Go down to the hospital. I'll see you down there. Yuki, go with her. She's going to go down to the hospital. All right.
I just want to explain. I'm with you guys here. I'm just trying
Yeah,
to.
it's all good.
I'm always with you. I'm the owner here.
Okay. Omar, you know what would help? You have video footage out front?
Yeah.
One of these guys are going to get it from you. All right, they'll send you the link or whatever.
Could they come and do it themselves?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Can you guys just get some info from them so we can get a time window and we can capture that?
Yeah.
Because it'd be super helpful.
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Whoa.
This guy's passing on. They don't know.
You guys got any hand sanitizer in your car? Anybody?
Yeah.
You can wash your hands. Come wash your hands.
No, it's all good. I'll spray this off and then
It's over by.
I'll wash it when I get back.
Gary, do you mind just grabbing it? Oh, I'll get it from you. Just grab it.
You all right, Mike?
Well, some of the people cleared up from off.
Yeah, you all right?
Oh, I'm gonna clear my camera.
Yeah, it's fine. Deactivating.
Rescue's here now.
I just got